Hey, yeah, fireworks, mortars, and camp fuel canisters were found stuffed into the back of the Tesla Cybertruck that exploded outside President elect Donald Trump's Las Vegas hotel early today, killing the suspect inside the vehicle and sparking an intense investigation into possible terrorism. In addition to that, seven others were injured outside the vehicle, loaded with fireworks and all kinds of stuff. Um, uh, Now, this guy was caught on video driving past the Trump Tower here, a hotel, approximately an hour prior, and then he pulled up in the valet parking right in front of the very door, right where you see him sitting there on this video. I've got the sound shut off on this video, by the way. Um, and he parked right there, and he was there for 15 seconds approximately, and then uh, he set her off. Grandpa's opinion. I don't think this was no accident. Period. He drove by about an hour before, checking out the situation, and he came back, parked right in front of the door. Um, now, let's see here. What do I have on this? I do have some more on this here. Um, the driver was killed. Like I say, seven others had injuries. Luckily, and I've heard reports on this already. Luckily, it was a stainless steel Cybertruck that he tried to blow up, and not a U-Haul. If you're as old as Grandpa, you could probably remember the Oklahoma City bombings where McVeigh blew up that U-Haul and killed a lot of people. He blew it right up, I think, in front of a courthouse uh, type building, and killed a lot of people with the bombs he had in the back of that U-Haul. But the Cybertruck contained most of the blast, so it went upward. Uh, Cybertrucks are very tough, by the way. Um, so let's see. What's Grandpa thinking? Well, I'm thinking that this might be linked to the New Orleans massacre, where the guy ran over all those people. There's last report Grandpa heard there was 15 that were killed by the guy, the terrorist that ran over all those people in New Orleans. And I think these they might find out that these are linked. Pretty bizarre that they happen that close together and not be linked. And we're probably going to see more of this garbage going on here, the way it looks to Grandpa. The terrorists and people have been coming across our border unvetted. Nobody knows who they are. I mean, we got 50,000 Chinese walking around in our country, fighting age men. We have Arabs everywhere. And, this guy had an Arab name over there, and that killed those 15 people in New Orleans, not to mention the dozens and dozens and dozens hospitalized. And some of them are very critical yet, may not make it. I mean, this is nasty, real nasty. But in the FBI, they came out and tried to downplay it, talking like it might not be terrorism right out of the chute. But they changed their tune. I'll tell you what, I'll be glad when Trump and Elon get in where they can help us. and I'm going to talk a little bit about Tesla here. So, you got Trump Tower, you got a Cybertruck outside exploding. I, 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 uh, I don't think they like the idea of Trump and Elon coming into the business here shortly. The 20th can't come quick enough for Grandpa. In regard to Tesla deliveries coming out, uh, this morning it's supposed to come out at 9 a.m. I'm going to tell you right now, Grandpa smells a rat. Um, they've driven the price down over $87. I don't know if you're aware of it, but we got a new low this morning. Um, if Grandpa can find a chart for you, I'll show it to you. Here it is, 399. Actually happened late last night, about 8:30, 8:20, 8:15 area. Shortly after they opened up uh, the market at 8 o'clock at night, is well, it happened in the first 5 minute candle. So in the first 5 minutes at 8:05 area, they went down there and they gave us a new low of 399 in Tesla. Okay, and they bounced us up. The fair opening price for today is 411.44. The white line here on the chart. Okay, and like I say, I smell a rat. We just got a golden cross here, and as soon as we got the golden cross, uh, the price started running down. Uh, are we going to lose it again and get a death cross? It's possible, but she could turn and turn into a real golden cross. Now, usually you get at least $3 out of a golden cross, and currently we have nothing, zero. We have a deficit golden cross. Now that don't happen. I don't know when that happens. Usually you get at least $3 up to $150 up. But I smell a rat. I smell a rat. Like I say, they've driven the price down from 488. From 488, they've driven it down. Grandpa was wrong. It's over $89. I'm going to get out my ink pen and change that. They've driven the price down over $89 in Tesla just on fear of deliveries. Zero news. We've had zero bad news in Tesla. And we've come down $89 and more on zero news. Nothing has changed. Nothing that Grandpa sees has changed in Tesla to cause this dip other than fear of deliveries and them wanting us to believe that we're going to miss on deliveries. And I'm thinking that we are very likely going to beat expectations. Just, I don't know for positive. I believe 506,000 is what the estimate is. And they've got everybody believing that Tesla is going to underperform that number, which would be bearish, okay? And the fear factor is extremely high right now. I think they might be doing us a fake out. And if Grandpa's right, if I'm right, and that they are just doing us a fake out, and we have deliveries in the 515 to 530,000 range, which beats expectations. This thing could be $500 in 2 days. I smell a rat. I smell a fake out. We will see. In the meantime, like, share, and subscribe to Grandpa. And remember, don't take anything Grandpa says as financial advice. Grandpa's not a financial planner. And whoopee doopie. Whoopee doopie. What's whoopee doopie? Well, whoopee doopie is coming soon. Check out my next live streams coming up. You might find out what whoopee doopie is. Can you be part of whoopee doopie? Yes, you can. And I'll give you the news when I get it all figured out. But I'm excited about whoopee doopie, and you will be too. If you want to improve your trading, I mean really improve it, where you're better than Grandma, better than Grandpa, you want to know about, you want to be in the whoopee doopie club. That's what you want. Yeah. So, and most importantly, think about eternity once in a while. Think about eternity once in a while. Here's your new low in Tesla, $3.99. Will that be our new bottom pivot point? I don't know. I don't know. It's going to depend on these deliveries. You may never see that number again as long as you live if those deliveries come out good. You just don't know. You just don't know. We're getting a green candle in the 5-minute chart. Look at this bus run. We're going straight uphill, folks. Nothing can stop Tesla. We're under a golden cross in the 5-minute. She's looking good. Check out my previous live stream. You might learn a little more about death crosses and whoopee doopie. See you later. See you later today. It's going to be a wild one, folks. Bye-bye.